or the document is already open, and whatever we felt, so the way, kind of impetus you have given, strenuous efforts and reality you brought in. Can I share it now?
Please do that. Please.
Is this document visible to all of you?
Not yet.
No.
Yeah, there you go.
Friends, here is Dr. Nagaraju Vaidyanaraj garu, master trainer from Indian Academy of Training and Development. Wow, what is, a fantastic and phenomenal trainer he is. Correct me if I'm wrong. Before I just read out the pamphlet, which I felt would be suitable to praise him, to talk about him. Thank you. This is a thank you note for him. Thank you, Dr. Nagaraju Vaidyanaraj, sir. You could find the date here. Today is absolutely 22nd December, a couple of months ago, in month of October 22nd, this was done. When we thought we couldn't reach our goals, you always supported us and kept us going. We want to thank you for helping us reach our potential. We are so lucky to have a coach who inspires us every day to be better than the day before. We hope we can inspire future champions as you have inspired us. All these sessions, you're awesome. You taught us so much, but also went beyond that to show your love and care for the teams. We're so grateful, sir, for your efforts. We know we were stubborn and irritating at times. Despite everything, you relentlessly worked with us to help reach the top with your brilliant technique. That is, hello, Mr. Naga, hello, Satish Bhatt. What do you think about this? You just try to rope people in to just manage the things so well. You are an amazing coach. You relentlessly worked with us to help us reach the top. That's why you are an amazing coach. We are indebted to you, sir, for being our patient guide and personal trainer. Thank you for helping us out and being there for us in both the good and the bad. We honestly don't know what we would have achieved without you in our lives. Although the workouts you created were hard for us to get through. In fact, workouts could be found in the physical activities. Here, workouts are activities to stimulate and tilt the memory power and the senses and tickle down all our senses. Here, they have helped us improve our minds. You are an incredible trainer, and we are so grateful for your work. I have used incredible. Why? SAR is a polyglot. In linguistics, polyglot stands for a man or a woman, basically a speaker of a language who knows many languages.
Okay.
Today, in the session, he has reflected myriad languages. He used Urdu, he uses Kannada, he uses Tamil, Hindi. Oh, he's well versed in all aspects. And his English phrases, I'm so much, fascinated. Perfect collocations, perfect centralization, and a lot of linguistic, profound concepts. You are an incredible trainer, and we are so grateful for your work. Your encouragement and constant motivation pushed us to heights we never thought possible. Thank you for inspiring us to be excellent in everything we do. Your leadership is top-notch. You helped us improve our performance. We're inspired to continue working hard and being successful teammates. I would say teammates. After Sar has brought out many issues, time and again he appeared in our sessions. Of late, we have felt, the training sessions are going to be over. Why should we not have a forum? Evening 3, I think evening batch, the third batch, all our session mates have felt, okay, we would have a forum. We have initiated, all people have kept on sending their details. Would also love to welcome morning, afternoon, otherwise weekend batches with SARS guidelines and other, blessings to have a platform to work together, to have various, things.
Exactly what to tell you, Naga, you have told. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
And yours is a top-notch leadership, and you helped us improve our performance. We are inspired to continue working hard and being successful teammates. Thank you for bringing out the best in us. You have influenced our lives for the better, and with a lot of respect and gratitude, sir.
जोरदार तालियां नागराजू सर
Very nice. And
sir,
both Nagas, yes.
your signature. This is your patent.
I can't help it. I am not exaggerating.
But
Everybody
Naga,
knows.
lot of text, man.
Yes. And one more, Jordar Talia for
Take
Naga sir.
screenshots.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. My friends, I am humble.
I would
Well
like
done,
to
sir.
say
Thank you. Thank you.
loading screen बचाओ I would like to say something, Dr. Nagtar.
Loading screen बचाओ मुझे.
Can I?
कितने बार?
So I just, friends, as Dr. Naga has just read out the thank you note, it was really excellent. But I just want to add a few points in that. In IITD, we had all very good trainers, starting from the first trainer to the last trainer. But I think Nagaraj sir has taken the maximum classes, maximum sessions of all the 3 batches.
Exactly.
And I remember here that KBC, everyone must have watched KBC. In KBC, when I am a regular viewer of KBC, not for this year, up till last year. So many times I felt that Amitabh Bachchan is asking so many questions. तुम कहाँ से हो, क्यों करते हो, क्या किया, क्या करोगे इतने पैसे का? So what actually I understood of late, that he is making the contestant comfortable to sit on that hot seat, so that he should be free to talk, and his mind, he or she can concentrate on the question whatever he is going to ask. Same thing Dr. Nagaraj used to do in the class, in whenever the class was started. Hello, Mr. Rajiv. Hello, Mr. Paras, or Manmohan, Neeti Madam, or so and so. Well, individually he was greeting and talking to each and everyone, so making each and everybody so comfortable that people were very open to talk with Dr. Nagaraj. That is one point which I'd like to mention. So he is one of the Amitabh Bachchan in our.
Oh, yeah. Sir, both.
Number two, number 2 point that Nagaraj sir, you have told us how to use the Zoom. Let me tell you very clearly, because use it, come with prepared, yes, and so much more motivational and messages, and before starting of the sessions tomorrow, whosoever is coming, please come prepared, maintain time. So you made us so disciplined during all these sessions that I think this discipline will be maintained in our future aspects also. So these are the few things I would like to say. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. My pleasure. I am humbled to core. Thank you, my friends. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for all those lovely words. Thank you, Naga Garu. Really very nice of you, my friends. I enjoyed doing these sessions with all of you. It is, the pleasure is equally mine, if not more. Thank you so much. Wish you all the very best.
Hope we can all connect with you, sir, when rubber hits the road. Your phrase, rubber hits the road.
We will all be meeting in the graduation ceremony for sure. I'm sure you'll have a great graduation ceremony. Prepare well.
Tarun here.
Yes, Tarun sir, go ahead.
At the age of 51, I am in the profession of teaching. I say my students, Naga sir is there. I am undergoing a training under him. And really, sir, I have never ever got such wonderful teacher in my life.
Sir, I'm
Okay, so
people there,
pranam.
but
हिंदी में कहते प्रणाम और बांग्ला में कहते नमस्कार.
Namaskar.
Sir, not only pranam, it is Dandavat pranam.
अरे सर, मैं बहुत छोटा हूँ.
Blessed, sir.
आपकी बड़प्पन है. Thank you so much.
Really, and when I am practicing this, and I am getting letters from the students, and that is I shared with my principal ma'am, and she said that she please share in the teachers group.
Okay.
I will share in the IITD group, and that is the certificate, original certificate, even more than the certificate which I achieved from the school as the best teacher.
Super, super, excellent, excellent. I'm so happy.
Okay.
And
Has
you're energetic person, sir.
Yes,
From
sir.
the beginning till the end, you keep the energy level the same and bubbling all the time. And giving inputs to our. It's really great to have you, sir. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, my dear friend. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, Chaitanya.
Sir,
Dr. Nagaraj, please
you
share
are,
your diet plan also with us.
Sure, sure, sure. Definitely, definitely.
sir,
Nagaraj sir,
Yeah.
I would like to sum up all your sessions in our common language. Uttishtata, Jagruta, Prapya Varanne Bodhata.
Arre wah, Swami Vivekananda's. Superb.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very
So
much.
in all your sessions,
Sir.
you gave us this energy, sir, to wake up, to get up, to stand, and to try till we achieve our goal. Thank you so much for that, sir.
So much. On that note, let us close the class with our
sir,
standard.
one line only.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, Anil sir. Anil sir. Go ahead.
You are so great trainer. मैं हर टाइम सोचता हूँ ये क्या खाते हैं.
Thank
you, sir.
I'm a hardcore
Thank you,
vegetarian.
sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Let's close
And
the
like
class.
I said in the
IITD
beginning only, sir.
claps. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Our IITD claps, please. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. Love you all. All the best.
Thank you, Dr. Naga. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We love you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Sir, ultimately, you actually ended the session with the standard Dr. Nagaraj style only. Huh? The grandeur performance.
Let's give a standing ovation to Dr. Nagaraj.
Oh my God. No. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friends. What an honor. What an honor. What an honor. It's really great to be with all of you. As I said, I keep enjoying doing this. So I always tell people that I have converted my passion into my profession. You know, earlier I used to do when I was in the company, and I used to simply go and take training. So that was just sort of passion. So that was only once in a moon or once in a blue moon. Now, when there is an opportunity, since I've converted my passion into my profession, you see, I enjoy every moment. That's the only.
Dr. Nagaraj, you have created an epidemic now. Your passion is going to be spreading in among all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. My pleasure. My pleasure. Have a nice evening. Thank you so much. Bye-bye and good night.
Good night, sir. Have a great time.
Thanks
So
for
you keep
here.
in touch with all of us.
Thanks, sir.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Night and all the
Good
best.
night.
Good night, everyone. Good night.
Good
Best
night.
everyone, we will be in touch.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.